Bonjour, today is Monday, February 21st, 2022. Happy Family Day. I am here at Orono Crownlands Nature Trails. I'm just here. I just came from my brother's. I took down my fishing hut. So actually, here's a very short video showing that. Oh my God. Does not look good. I think it's, I don't think it's damaged. I think just the oh, thank goodness. All right. Yes, it's undamaged. There was just a bunch of very wet, heavy snow. Oh, thank you, Mamma Mia in the sky. All right, I brought my shovel. And, let's take this thing down. And yes, I was supposed to be hiking with Aaron and Peter today. I canceled. My boots, the one has a massive hole. They're both soaked. Also, I just don't feel well. Like I just need to be alone. So I'm here checking out this Orono Crownlands. I've never been here before. And hopefully that will help. Also, I'm wearing my my summer hiking boots. I'm hoping it'll clean them because they are caked with mud. So, yeah, lots of people here, lots of families. So, yeah. So we're gonna do all the loops, but we're gonna start with the blue loop, which is that way. So these grounds were a former tree nursery, and it's 633 acres, and there are 7 different trails, and that's it. So we're gonna do all the trails. Yeah, this is great. I gotta tell my brother about this. Maybe he knows already. Oh my gosh, what a nice surprise. It's beautiful here. It's slippery. I'm gonna stop and put my my yak tracks on. What a difference with the yak tracks. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I lost the strap, the Velcro strap on one of them that they came with, so I just replaced them with these awesome pink shoelaces. Yeah, when I arrived, the parking lot was full. There was one empty spot. I took it, and there was also someone leaving. But yeah, on the actual, and at the entrance, there was a lot of traffic, but out on the actual trail, yeah, this is like there's nobody else around. pure quietness. It's such a warm day. It's 3 degrees. It's a pine. Is that pine? No, it's not pine. Let me use Seek. Well, I'm so proud. I was right. It is a pine. This is a pine. And there is, well, there's also some cedar here. And I actually brought along a cedar tea for me to enjoy mid-trail. But there's also spruce. I really want to learn more about trees. Obviously this is a birch, but I don't know if it's a yellow birch or a white birch. I think it might be a yellow birch. Seek does not differentiate. This one is an American beech. So I would just like to say that while these trails are like a sheet of ice, these yak tracks are like the perfect solution. Night and day from before putting them on and after. I know I made that video, that New Year's Eve video, hiking in Rouge Park a couple of years ago, which, you know, same thing. I went on and on about how amazing yak tracks were. And I won't go on and on this time, but they are. Yeah, anywho. This plant I know from Tommy Thompson Park. This is the staghorn sumac, and you can eat those red bunches. You can eat them and it tastes like lemon, or you can boil them and make lemonade. So this one is called a Scots pine. I noticed that I don't know, whatever these are called, looked a bit differently shaped. And Seek does differentiate. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, see, these bunches look quite different. This is a white pine. Ooh, I should collect some pine needles for pine tea as well. Oh, that smells great. Oh, wow. I can stand right up in the middle. Very cool. Oh, I was gonna guess juniper. I can't remember what juniper looks like. This is eastern hemlock. If I were hungry, I'd stop and have lunch here. All right, we have the three amigos here. We've got cedar, spruce, and then this is a new one, Virginia pine. Again with the American beech, very telltale leaves. All right, I finished the blue trail. Let's do the green trail now. Well, I think this is the ideal place to stop and have some cedar tea. I'm so thrilled with this place. Oh my God, it smells amazing. Let's see if it's still hot. Oh yeah, you can see the steam. It's still hot. Oh my God, so good. Yummy. I got some more cedar today as well. So, Anthony and Christophe just called me from Paris. I love them. I'll show you. I took some screenshots. I'll show you those now. Anywho, I had to let them go after not too long because, you know, I don't want to cause noise pollution with my big loud voice. But I am so happy to hear from them. I love them. Okay. I could easily make one of those like calming nature sound videos out here. Yeah. So the green trail is a trail, not a loop. So I'm just taking the road. I didn't want to backtrack, so I'm just taking the road back to the start, and then I'll do at least one more. But yeah, at least one more. We'll see. So I think I'll drive over to the Totten Road parking lot and do this pink loop because pink is my favorite color. All right, we're up here on Totten Road now, the Totten Road parking, which I again got the very last spot. All right, so let's do the pink trail. So this pink trail has been super underwhelming. Yeah, very, very average, unscenic, people with their dogs. That's fine. So also I just got a reminder on my phone. There's a Lovebot. Lovebot's one of my favorite Toronto graffiti artists, or like pieces of graffiti art. And there's a Lovebot art exposition in the Distillery District right now. So I'm gonna finish up this hike, although I've got lunch and I'm hungry. Yeah, I brought a special lunch. So I'll find somewhere to eat that first, and then I'm gonna go back to the city. Perfect, a bench for me to eat my lunch. So, brand new thermos, spoon. Hold on. Coconut curry lentil stew. Oh, can you see the steam? Oh my God, that smells so good. Hot. It's actually too hot to eat. The first few bites on the top were okay, and then it was too hot. So I'll go and finish this hike, and that's it.